whipping cream, and we are going to measure it to 1/4. Okay, now we're going to pour it in our bowl. Next step is we are going to be taking our Swiss Miss or any hot chocolate packet you have. We're going to cut the top off, and we're going to pour all the powder into the bowl with the heavy whipping cream. And I can't open it. Now we want to have a consistency that's like this. Next step is you're going to grab a cup, fill it up with ice to your desire, and we're going to fill it with milk. And go about there. Okay, next step is we're going to pour in some of our chocolate syrup. Okay, next step is we're going to use a spoon and scoop the whipped chocolate part on top. We're going to get all of it on there. Extra special, we're gonna put some yummy whipped cream on it, and I'm gonna throw some